Hello friends, welcome to your channel EshtechZ. EshtechZ brings you wide range of exclusive contents. This is the first video of Selenium automation and you will be learning automation from scratch. In this video, I will be giving you basic introduction of Selenium from where you can start understanding why do we use Selenium for automation. Let's take a look at course contents which we will be covering under this series. Introduction, demo for how WebDriver works, installing Selenium IDE, record and play with Selenium IDE, and exporting Selenium IDE to Java code. First we'll see what is automation testing. Automation testing means using an automation tool to execute your test case suite. Writing automation requires some efforts in the beginning, but once a script is ready, we only need to run our scripts. This reduces manpower, human attention, and we can execute it number of times for our testing. The automation software can also enter test data into the system under compare to expected and actual results. It generates detailed test report. Test data can be sent by directly through send keys or by Excel sheet. This part we will be learning in our upcoming videos. Building a test framework. Framework is the most important part of scripting. Without framework, you can't build your project perfect. Framework helps to consolidate your code at one place. It makes your code readable and reusable. It manages regression testing and functional testing. Basically, automation comes in picture for regression testing. Once you are done with your code, just put it on your repository and execute it by Jenkins. Prepare run suite for automation and execute on multiple browsers. There are multiple advantages of Selenium, like you can execute it on multiple browsers and it is compatible with multiple languages as well. Continuous integration, as I mentioned above, that we can use Jenkins after our code completion. Here we'll see some advantages of Selenium, like test tool to automate web browsers, build framework that runs in a browser and automate UI test cases, flexible with many languages, run as real user in virtual world and execute all test cases with proper validation checks. Now, why Selenium? It's an open source tool and we all like the free things to use. So Selenium provides us this facility. It is widely used tool at organization level as well. It is open source, after that it is the platform independent thing. It generates script to validate your functionality as per business requirement. It supports multiple languages like Java, C#, Python, PHP, etc. Selenium provides two wonderful things to learn and work: Selenium IDE and Selenium WebDriver. Selenium IDE is basically used by beginners. It has record and play functionality where you can play your IDE and do your manual work at your application level, which record all the steps whatever you have done. Then you can stop it and check all your steps including XPath. It is an add-on of Firefox browser. As I said, it's a good tool for beginners, so we'll also follow the same process and start our series with the Selenium IDE. Now we talk about the Selenium WebDriver. It is used after the compatible level of IDE. Here we will automate our programming test scripts. It supports multiple OS, browsers and languages. Selenium supports UI testing across many browsers. Additional references for a specific browser must be installed using Chrome, Safari, Firefox, IE. So thank you friends to watching this video. I hope you are on track for what and why part of Selenium automation. We'll see how WebDriver works in the next video. Please subscribe our channel, do like, comment and share this video. Also don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notification of this channel. Happy learning. Thank you.